Hi guys, today I'm making meatballs for dinner and I've got 500 grams of beef mince and I'm going to add my spices, adding a little bit of a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, some Italian herbs. Let's add some Italian herbs, about a tablespoon, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. Also, I'm going to add some breadcrumbs that I've made. Just add breadcrumbs, about half a cup. I've got one carrot which I'm going to grate. So just add a bit of carrot in there, a bit of vegetable. Just one carrot. I'm going to add 3 eggs. And now it's time to mix. I have to mix this very well. Alright, this is how this looks, guys. I'm going to make my meatballs. I'm going to make my meatballs. You can make the meatballs whatever size you want, but I'm going to make this size.
How's the spaghetti going? How's it going?
There you go, guys. The meatballs are ready for cooking. I'm going to add some oil in a large pan. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now I'm going to cook my meatballs. Just want to add the meatballs in. Guys, when you make these meatballs, you can make them overnight and let them sit in the fridge. That way, but for me, because I'm cooking after work, I don't have time. I made the meatballs and I'm cooking them straight after. Alright, so 500 grams of beef mince. This is how much meatballs you can make with 500 grams of meat. So this is a very budget meal. Here in Australia, the beef mince was $5.60 for the beef mince. 500 grams, $5.60. So I'm gonna let this cook and then flip the sides and cook another side. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. My channel is all about weeknight budget-friendly meals. I cook budget-friendly meals. Please feel free to let me know in the comment section where you're watching from. But I am from Australia, Queensland. Alright guys, I'm just going to make sure the meatballs are cooked on all sides. Just make sure all sides are cooked. Cooking all sides, guys. And now I'm going to just set my meatballs aside and I'm going to make the sauce. So set them aside. Alright guys, I'm going to drain the excess oil. Alright guys, adding one onion. Just one onion. Just cook this for about a minute or so. I'm going to add my garlic. Now adding garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic. And then mix this through. Just cook for 1 minute or so. I'm just gonna add some green onion, guys, from the garden. Just add this through and cook until this is nice and smelling good. Some Italian herbs, and then cook that. Now I'm going to add this tomato puree, the tomato passata tomato cooking sauce. So just add that, about half a cup, 3/4 of a cup. While this is, I'm going to simmer this, just gently simmer. So now I'm going to add beef stock cubes, about 3 of them, and then cook them in the sauce. A little bit of water, a little bit of water, probably about a half a cup of water, guys. And then I'm going to mix this and make sure my beef stock cubes, these ones, are cooked. It's starting to melt. Let's simmer this sauce. So now I'm going to bring back my meatballs. Just add them in. So I'm cooking my meatballs in the sauce. I'll cook this in the sauce for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, I'm going to add, you can add parsley if you've got parsley, but I've got green onions from the garden.